Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you don't know the things yet. Bless. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But just a couple of topics I want to get into in the night, not in any particular order. So just watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. You see me, I say, and with that being said, it look like said Nicki Minaj a clap back pan, the people them saying that she shouldn't be gifting whoever on TikTok, especially when it comes to the Jamaican community. So first people that come to mind is Lady Saw and Queen Ifrica. You see me, I say, because Shebada did I rub out them bumble and boy oh boy oh boy, Nicki was on the live, so she ended up going live with Shebada and basically telling him, what she's telling the others, that they're the best and all of these things. But she tell, whoever figure S their mother. You see me, some people, so let's take a listen.
Hi, Shebada. Shebada.
Hello.
Wait,
Hello.
Manasseh. You're gone?
Sorry.
Oh, I didn't know. How many Oscar awards you already won for your acting?
None.
Oh, you deserve 1,000,000 Oscar award then. Where are you?
I'm right here.
McCann, hi, Shebada. No, so Shebada, you need your own show. I mean, I already know you've done shows and plays, etc. and stuff like that. But I'm talking about you need to be addressing all the bull that's going on TikTok every day. So that's basically so today is the first show. Today is the first show where Shebada is addressing all of the fuckery them. We're going. Okay? So the first person on the mother and docket is everybody that got something to say about who I give something to, who I talk to, who live me come the pan. First of all, let me say hi, Shebada, because you are so very talented and so also very intelligent. So, I always enjoy your commentary. And you trying to be fair, even though you are crazy, basically. And you say you're crazy too, but I'm going like when I see it. So anyway, so what I want to tell everybody that got something to say, when I get on TikTok having fun minding my motherfucking business, is go so and you know what? Sometimes you try to be respectful of people because they've earned a certain level of respect. But listen, a lot of people don't know my motherfucking mouth, okay? Watch una bomba clat, because I'm one of those people. I tell people all the time, I'm often laughing, but I'm never playing. And because me make joke and ting, people a lot of times think they can play. And it's never the fucking time to play, okay? Because It all depends on what motherfucking side of the motherfucking bed I rolled out on that motherfucking day. Okay? So, if I hear anybody talking about what the fuck I give, who the fuck I give, and also, let me tell you something else. I don't find it funny when y'all out here saying really cruel things. You know, what the fuck I need to sacrifice? Go suck on a bum. Shebada.
And honestly, you can't be mad at Nicki Minaj for telling them people for go slide under that mama because one, she is a grown woman, she has a child, she's married, um, and she don't need nobody's I don't want to say opinion, but she don't need nobody telling her what to do. You see me I say she's a big woman. You see me I say, and if she want to give this that person or that the person, she's allowed to do that. You know what I mean? She's been dating Safari for 12 years, and you know, Safari's a Jamaican and things and things. You see, I say, who might be in the closet. So maybe Nicki knows something we don't know. You see, I say, but basically, Nicki Minaj is not signing any policies in Jamaica. You see, I say, with this out of many one foolishness. But nevertheless, let's take a listen to what Shebada was saying when it came to this Derrick Morgan thing, because it looked like said the name Derrick Morgan liquor chip, because you know that's her, you know, her father's name who, you know, abused her, you know.
Me just ask. So if Nicki Minaj wants to stay in the Middle East and send Derrick one bed, what is that to you? What is that to you? What is that to you? How you make Derrick a topic in your mouth? Thanks, Dwayne. How you make Derrick a topic in your mouth? The woman see man sought him out and buy him a bed. Oh, Derrick, I love you. I said to my husband that you're my best, this and this. Queen Ifrica, all of them something that hurt you? Oh, come on. Uncle Derrick. All of that hurt you. When you sing Daddy Don't Touch Me Dear, you did ask Derrick when he did there? When you did in your eye for your glory, did you ask Derrick where he was? How Derrick forget little highlight and your class Derrick? How Lava get highlight, World Dog, Pretty Dan? Why not cuss Rebel? Why you Queen Ifrica not come out and cuss Rebel? You see people like when we always burn out this and burn out that, and have a whole heap of things in the closet all bed. All bed do not have in the closet. No, Desi, but it's true. It no matter who Derrick is, somebody take time out that we would idolize. You understand me? Take time out to pass the whole away who think we are somebody and gone to him. And at that hurt Queen Ifrica. But Nicki Minaj come down here and share this and share that. If you ever say, none of we down here yet. Queen Ifrica move you now. Hey Queen Ifrica, I don't want class in because I say me like you. Move from your somewhere. 120 them invite Queen Ifrica, Nicki Minaj as sing on some fest and all of them road there. Fame road party. Me just put in some events. You understand me? Rhythm and blues, mellow vibes. 120 them invite Nicki Minaj. 120 them Jamaica call Nicki Minaj to come down here. So if Nicki Minaj try invest in our people them, for sacrifice them, why we saying call her? Why we saying call her?
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that, because Andre Stevens is also reacting to Queen Ifrica, at least when it comes, you know, to her daddy touching her and all of this stuff. You see, and this is what he said in his caption. You know, it took her years to talk, but she did. So let us, you know, help her get over the drama. And this is why he never gave up on her. You see my answer? But he was also attacked earlier today. You know what I mean? Oh boy, this is like the second time he was attacked by his yard, you know, for defending his plants. He simply says, you can see that's what he put in the caption and things and things. The post with the lady, Shanika, has been deleted, so I won't show her picture, but this is what was under the comment section. This person said this: I don't understand. My brother bit a baby mother first, started hitting him, doing the most, like always. He defended himself. She went to 100-man police. They want to lock him up when he is the one that has the bruises. Why some of una girl feel say una must, you know, hit people boy pitney and threatening say she gonna send, you know, man for, you know, my brother. But because she a woman, the police then believe her. My brother almost got locked up today because of a woman who don't want to accept the fact that a man don't want her. That is why whenever you hear of a man hitting a woman, investigate, because of these women are very violent. And if a man hit them back, you will hear, you know, he is a man and she is a woman. And, you know, he shared these pictures and all of these things, you know, for evidence, you see my say. So put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, our next trending topic I see going out there is, you know, when it comes to Daniel, you see my say, a person of interest, you know, for her, you know, murder, was positively identified. You see my say, this afternoon. The charges was laid against her and all of this stuff. But the commissioner says, you know, the woman was an inmate. I mean, an intimate partner of the child's father. You see, I said, you know, the people that's been saying from, you know, jump, it must be some type of lovers, you know, thing. You see, I said, but you know, Buju Banton theory was, you know, I mean, everybody was talking about the 200%, you know, pay raise. And then boom, them dash where the little daughter forget enough to stop talk. You see, I say, whatever it is, hopefully she can get justice. Anyway, people now long this out no longer, just that I give them a quick update. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.